Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the monitors to your PC and getting power to each one. Once done, make sure you use the right ports and adapters so Windows sees every display. If you have a discrete GPU, check its output limits and preferred resolutions to avoid mismatches. Plug in cables firmly, then power on the monitors. After that, boot Windows or press Win+P to force detection. This begins the configuration process, so you can arrange and extend screens properly. Open Display Settings, and you'll see all connected monitors represented as boxes. Drag each box to match their physical placement so the cursor moves naturally between screens. Once arranged, choose which monitor is your main display to host the taskbar and new windows. Then adjust resolution and scale individually so text and UI size look consistent. Set refresh rates to avoid flicker. Make sure to apply changes and test by moving apps across displays. To verify, finish by fine-tuning color, scaling, and GPU settings so images and text match across monitors. If a display is not detected, first reset cables, try an alternate cable or port, then update or reinstall the GPU driver. For laptops, use Win+P to toggle display modes quickly if things look wrong. Once stable, save profiles in your GPU control panel if available. One key troubleshooting tip: swap monitors or cables to isolate the faulty component before replacing hardware, which saves time and expense.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.